Welcome back to How to Master Any Skill. On day 3 of our 31-day marketing series, we'll be covering the essential topic of buyer personas. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to create detailed buyer personas to better understand your target audience and tailor your marketing efforts. Let's get started. What are buyer personas? Buyer personas are semi-fictional representations of your ideal customers, created using data and research about your existing customers and target market. They help you gain a deeper understanding of your audience's needs, preferences, and pain points, which in turn allows you to create more targeted and effective marketing campaigns. Why are buyer personas important? Buyer personas are crucial for several reasons. They help you understand your customer's wants and needs, so you can create more relevant marketing messages and product offerings. They enable you to segment your audience, allowing for more personalized and targeted marketing campaigns. They guide your content creation and marketing strategy, ensuring that your efforts resonate with your target audience. They inform your sales process and help your sales team better understand and address the needs of potential customers. How to create buyer personas? To create accurate and detailed buyer personas, follow these steps. Gather data. Collect information about your existing customers and target market through surveys, interviews, and market research. Identify common characteristics. Analyze the data to identify shared traits, such as demographics, behavioral patterns, goals, and challenges. Segment your audience. Divide your audience into groups, based on their shared characteristics. Create detailed profiles. For each segment, develop a detailed persona profile that includes a name, demographics, goals, challenges, and preferred communication channels. Humanize your personas. Give each persona a name and a backstory to make them more relatable and easier to understand. Example buyer persona. Let's walk through an example buyer persona for a marketing software company. Name: Marketing Manager Mike. Age: 35. Occupation: Marketing Manager at a small to medium-sized business. Goals: Streamline marketing processes, increase lead generation, and improve ROI. Challenges: Limited budget, lack of marketing automation tools, and difficulty measuring campaign performance. Preferred communication channels: Email, social media, and industry blogs. By understanding Mike's goals, challenges, and preferences, the marketing software company can create targeted campaigns that address his pain points and demonstrate the value of their product. Creating buyer personas is an essential step in understanding your target audience and crafting marketing campaigns that resonate with them. By following this step-by-step tutorial, you'll be well on your way to developing buyer personas that inform your marketing strategy and drive results. Stay tuned for day 4 of our marketing series, where we'll explain the various marketing channels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.